Hello, this is Yusuf from Testups. I would like to introduce our EMC test systems and turnkey EMC laboratory installations. If you need to build your own EMC laboratory, we are able to offer EMC test systems together with our installation and commissioning services. EMC experts are coming to your facility after delivery of the test systems. We are performing EMC tests together and you are getting familiar with the EMC test systems that you purchased. Another topic is our EMC Anechoic chamber solutions. We are able to offer you EMC Anechoic chambers and install them on your facility. If you need a turnkey EMC laboratory, EMC test systems plus Anechoic chambers, we can also do this as a turnkey solution. If you need to build your own EMC laboratory, visit testups.com or you can reach me over LinkedIn by visiting my profile. Thanks, see you.